All right, so we're scanning. Look at that, you guys. So this is the Axe Target game, $49.99, all the way down to $4.99. Can you scan this one? All right, this is the Igloo, you guys. The Igloo, it looks like a cooler bag. All right, we're gonna go ahead and scan this one. It was $9.99 down to 99 cents. 99 cents. They've been missing our videos. All right, this one is the Arctic Zone Easy Zipperless Cooler. It was $19.99 down to $1.99. Did you guys miss us?
Been a while.
It's been a while, but we're okay. We're alive.
Yeah. So we got a lot of messages that when we finally went back into the channel, that we saw everybody's asking if we're okay, where are we, and we took an extended break, you guys. Partly because we had some personal things happening in life, and then partly because it's a lot of work to do this YouTube for everybody, and it's been straining on our business. And what else?
Putting out 1 to 2 to almost 3 videos a day. Editing, and when we're in Walmart or whatever store we're in, we got to make sure that the music is not going. You know, we got to make sure that people are not around when we film, and then we have to blend in the videos, we have to edit, we have to, it's just a lot of stuff that we have to do. So basically it just takes a while to do a video.
Yeah, exactly. And what's happening is, when we started YouTube, don't get us wrong, this is great. YouTube is great. We have fun doing this for you guys. We love the comments, we love the subscribers. We appreciate all the support for those of you who watch the videos. And we love our subscribers when they come up to us in the store, which they always come up to me when I'm not dressed up. You gotta be prepared.
Like every time I gotta run out the house for a deal and my hair is looking a mess, no makeup. Are you Angel on the go? I'm like, oh, no. But every time I'm dressed up, I don't run into anyone.
You gotta be prepared like I am all the time.
But if you guys see us shopping around Florida, make sure you guys say hi to us. We love our subscribers. But we wanted to make a video just to tell you guys we're okay. We actually been listing like crazy. So we were kind of neglecting listing because we were putting out so many videos. It takes so long to edit. When we first started on YouTube, we were getting a ton of views, a ton. And I don't know, we just stopped getting a bunch of views lately. So our last couple of videos been kind of low. So we decided to kind of take a small break. On top of that, we had a couple of family issues, but we decided to take a break and start. Yeah, we had to start listing, you guys, because we got fourth quarter, which is here now. But we wanted to put out this video because there's a lot of bigger YouTubers or social media people on Instagram, Facebook, etc., that are showing you items in CVS that are on sale.
They're all right. They're like okay deals. That ain't bad.
Yeah, they're like backpacks and, you know, what else? Lunch bags? Like those, generic.
Those are good if you are looking to donate to schools
or a church
like that. Or if you don't, even if you don't have a lot of money and you want something for like next year, those are good deals.
Yeah,
they're
but
okay.
We want to, like, our goal on Angel on the Go is to not just show you, like, if it's, how can I explain it? Like, if it's after Valentine's Day, we don't want to go into a Walgreens or CVS and show you, oh, Valentine's Day cards are on sale. No, we want to show you something that you can probably use during the year, or you can resell during the year. So instead of Valentine's Day cards, me and Manny might show you like Squishmallows that are 90 instead of the cards. So this is why we came up with our channel, because we just don't show you, you know, what everybody else shows you. We show you deals that you would never find.
These are amazing deals.
Right.
Hit like if you agree. If you've seen some amazing deals on this channel, make sure you hit that like button and comment down below.
Yeah, make sure you guys share our videos too, because we work really, really hard at doing all of these videos. But we wanted to come to you guys today to show you what we found at CVS. And I can tell you this, it's not no backpacks. When we resell backpacks, they're kind of like character backpacks, like kids like character backpacks. So the ones that people have been showing on Instagram, etc., 90% off CVS, they're kind of like generic, like maybe like a gray and black or pink.
You're not gonna get that off as a reseller.
No.
That's a donation backpack for those of you who decide you want to go out and get it. If you're looking to go buy those backpacks and make money, you're absolutely not going to do so. That's a donation backpack, so it's great for that. Schools, to help kids who don't have the means to get a book bag and things like that.
And if we see some today, we haven't been looking for those. We've been scouting out other things. But if we see some, we might just grab them just to donate, because we also donate and we also have a nonprofit. But again, we want to show you guys the things that other YouTubers, other people on social media, Instagram, are not showing you. So if you guys like our videos, make sure you guys share. All right, you guys, here's some behind the scenes on Angel on the Go. This is what happens when you don't drop boxes off at storage unit and you go running. I don't know how many items that we could fit in here, because we were supposed to go to our storage unit, but then we found out about this 90% off, so we just had to run.
Yeah, for sure.
We need this cart empty, Manny. This is only our 4th store.
That's all right.
And we still got to go around, you guys. It's pretty late. It's almost, what, 1:32?
Something like that.
I got my mask on. Yeah, we're supposed to fill up water and stuff. So what we're going to do real fast, because we have to run to a couple more stores, we're actually going to show you what we found so far. Again, we are at CVS. Look like it's going to rain. CVS, what's today? Today's Sunday?
Yep.
Today's Sunday. We were supposed to be home working. So that's why that's why you guys don't see me on camera, because I look a hot mess and you only see Manny looking a hot mess.
We keep using that.
I look tore up. But this is what happens, you guys, when you run. But look at this. These are all of those Sharper Image axe throwing target sets that we found so far. Again, these are 90% off. So they were actually $49.99. There's a price right there. Wait, am I showing you guys? Yeah, there you go. $49.99. You guys, these are only $4.99. And again, you guys are only going to see this on Angel on the Go. Everybody on Instagram, well, the people that we've seen doing this, they're showing backpacks. We don't need backpacks.
So this is what you guys are missing. I know we've been gone a long time, and there's reasons for that, and maybe we might talk to that in another upcoming video.
Yeah, we'll do a live.
But this is what you guys are missing here. We don't bring you guys all the little things, the book bag. That's all good, you know. If you're a donator and things like that, that's all good. But if you guys want real things and real items and real gold, don't forget Angel on the Go.
Because you guys, everybody that we've seen so far that's running to CVS, boom, is actually showing like lunch bags and backpacks. And these are like generic backpacks. They're like the non-character backpacks. And what we like to do on this channel is we actually like to show you guys the real juicy good stuff. This is stuff that you can resell. This is stuff that you can give away for Christmas. With the backpacks, you kind of got to donate them or wait until school next year to actually resell them. But we actually wanted to do this video so we can show you guys what we are finding on Angel on the Go. So we're not going to show you guys no backpacks. Those are for the other channels. We're not going to show you lunch bags or anything like that. But we're going to show you guys some real good stuff. because guess what? It's October, and you got Christmas coming around the corner. So, I mean, boom, there you go. I don't even know where we're gonna put this.
Did we show them everything? Did you show them all the stuff?
No, that car is super loud. All right, so you guys, we got all these, and I don't know how many we got, but these only came from 2 different stores. And let's show them what else we found.
So this is the Vornado Flippy, and this is one of a mini desk fan. But I know the name Vornado. I've seen these in action, and they just move non-stop. These are super hard fans, get a lot of wind. This is a good one.
All right, so it says it flips up, cool down, quiet operation. This is a nice little fan.
Yeah.
So again, you guys can put this on your desk. This is actually 90% off too. So how much was this one?
I don't know that.
You know,
Why not?
People are starting to look at us. I mean, because we got this outside of our car right now.
This was like 250, 240 something.
No.
What was it?
That was like 1 something.
Dang it, I don't remember.
I don't remember either.
Whatever.
But you guys, if you guys see this in CVS, it's 90 and it's only gonna be 1 something. All right, show them what else we found. We're trying to talk low so people don't hear us, but they can actually see. We need to put this back in the car because everyone's stopping looking at us. All right, you guys, here's our next item. Look at this. Boom. This is a wind tower. And I'm going to let Manny tell you because I don't have my glasses on. It's hot out here.
So, it is. So this is a Lasco desktop wind tower. And it's like a double fan, and they alternate on which way they go. And again, these little things are super powerful.
Yeah.
3 speeds. You do all that. Anyway.
All I know is I wanted one of these. I don't know exactly what it is, but this thing was $40-something, and it's now down to $4. $4 and something cents. Don't quote me, but again, if you guys see these today in CVS, these are only going to be $4. I think it might be $4.99.
Yeah.
I think it's either $4.79 or $4.99.
$4.99.
Yeah, sorry we don't know the exact amount. We just grabbed them. But again, the regular price on these is $40-something. This is crazy. 90%. $49 regular price, and we got it for $4.99, 90% off.
Yeah.
Only on Angel on the Go.
So for all of you out there, you already know what I'm about. All my resellers, this is gold right here.
And I'm keeping a few. Let me show you guys how many we got. Look at this.
Yeah, you do not need a few of these. Come on.
Look at this. Is this all we got? I thought we got more.
Is there a bag in the back?
Okay, you guys, sorry. There's a bag in the back. But we actually scored all these in one. So we're trying to look for more of these. But again, we're trying to show you guys really fast. If you guys see this item in CVS today, it's going to be 90% off. 90% off. All right. Uh-oh, our stuff is dropping. All right. Up next.
So this is another good one. This is the...
Yeah. That car is super loud.
Not ready. I don't yell, so we got to wait that out. All right, so this is the Play-Doh. I don't even know what it is. It's like a tooth, a dentist set.
I don't know. Sorry you guys were outside, but it's easier for us to do this outside because the music was really loud in CVS.
So that's cool. It has like a dental set, like you create the teeth. It has the drill to do the gums and all that stuff.
I wish I had this when I was little. All right, so can you turn it around? This is what you guys are looking for in CVS. So this Play-Doh dentist thing. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. It comes with that mouth guard thing.
Yeah, it creates the teeth.
This right here is also 90% off. 90. Only on Angel on the Go. How much is this one?
$1.49 or something?
$1.49, you guys. So again, this one's 90. And we're gonna show you a few more items. Oh, we got this this truck down here.
Oh, did we not show that?
I don't think so. All right, up next, you guys, we have this garbage truck. And it says recycle. Our kids are way too old for this. All right, so we might have a small garage sale before Christmas.
Yeah.
We always do every year, and that's how we make a lot of our cash for like the little toys, non-name brand like this. I've never heard of this brand, but it's actually called Laser Wheels. So this is what you guys are gonna be looking for. And it's just a garbage truck.
But things like this though are always good, especially when they have like sounds. So anything like that's good for like kids.
I think that car is louder than this truck.
Florida life. So anything with sounds, trucks, and things like that, that's good for kids, you can always get this type of stuff off.
Yeah.
I don't care what name brand it is.
And again, we're going to have a garage sale. So basically, this regular price of this, you guys can see where it says CVS, $12.99. We actually paid $1.29 for this. And I think we got about 3 or 4 of these. And again, we're not going to sell this online. We're probably going to either donate it or sell it at a garage sale for like, what, $5, $10? We're going to make our money back.
For sure.
Yeah.
So this was $1.29 and this was the same price. So this was not $1.49, it was $1.29.
Oh, $1.29. So the regular price on this Play-Doh is $12.99, you guys. Mm-hmm. All right. So again, tips on Angel on the Go. If you're going to go to CVS today, these are $90 at $4.99. And this one is $1.29. And also the truck is going to be $1.29. Yeah. Oh. And these black fans are going to be $4.99. All right, what's next?
So these are cool too. This is Wicked Big Sports, and I think we bought something with this name brand before.
Oh wait, hold on. Who found this? No.
You?
No, you walk right past it.
Are you sure?
Mandy don't scan no more, you guys.
Yeah, I didn't mind.
All right, so what is this?
So this is a like a giant soccer ball, like a soft, you blow air. And it's a soccer ball, and this one's a volleyball.
Oh, there's 2 different ones.
Yeah.
I thought it was just a soccer ball. All right, so does it... Okay, so this one comes with the ball, a pump, and a needle.
I'm starting not to... You didn't know what it was, and you saying you found it. I'm starting not to believe it.
Yeah, I knew it was on sale, so I just grabbed it. I don't care what it is. All right, so you guys need to look out for the soccer ball one. That's what it looks like. Mm-hmm. And then the volleyball.
And we've used little things like this, like the oversized soccer ball. It's extra soft. These are a lot of fun. So if you got kids and you're just looking for extra little gifts or something to do around the house.
Christmas.
For sure.
Christmas coming up. So how much were these?
$1.29 too, I think.
Okay, so if you guys are in CVS again today, or if you go tomorrow or anytime you go, look for these. These are only $1.29. $1.29.
Can't beat that.
No. All right, what else we got? Is that it?
Yeah, I think that's...
Oh, wait, that's not it.
It's not?
You got those.
Oh.
All right, we did find a couple bags, but they're not backpacks. They're actually like a fanny pack, kind of.
Yeah, like a strap around your shoulder type pack.
Or around your waist. So it's kind of like a cooler bag that you strap around like a fanny pack. This one is actually cool. This one is Arctic Zone, and this one holds 4 cans. And if you guys see this in CVS, this is only $1.29. Look at that, you guys. So you guys see the regular price is $12.99, but again, it's 90%. So this is the one that we found of this style. And then we also found this one. I could take that to Universal.
Or we could sell it.
I don't want to sell it. I want to keep it. I like to test it. Can you open it so we can show them how big it is?
I always want to test something. What the heck?
All right, you guys. So if you guys score at CVS today, let us know in the comments. And if you guys missed our videos, let us know in the comments. So this is how big it is. So again, this bag right here, it states that you can put 4 soda cans in here. And then there's an extra zipper in the front. Can you show them the zipper in the front? Yeah. There's an extra zipper in the front that you can put your cell phone in. There you guys go. And again, this one's only $1.29. Now we've been here for a minute now and it's burning hot and we need to run to about 50 more stores.
Yeah.
All right, so
if you guys like this video and you want us to keep doing videos, make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow us on YouTube and on Instagram, angelonthego0420. And share, guys. We need you guys to share these videos if you want to see us keep coming back with these deals.
And any other CVS that we go to today and we find anything different than the items we just showed, we will let you know.
Yes, I can.